In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your digital product landing page with Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional landing page set up in minutes, ready for you to personalize. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. This will take you to your workspace, where we'll grab a pre-built layout to speed things up. Using a template not only saves time, it also gives you a solid structure that you can customize to match your brand. Next, click on the Marketplace. This is where Notion curates templates and resources created by Notion and the community. In the Marketplace, look for the search bar. Type in Digital Product Landing Page. This search will surface ready-made pages designed specifically to showcase a product, highlight features, and guide visitors toward taking action. From the results, select a template that fits your style and goals. You can open the preview to scan the layout, read the description, and get a feel for how the sections are organized. Choose the one that feels closest to what you want, so you'll spend less time tweaking later. Click the template to open its page, then click Add. This will copy the template into your workspace so you can make it your own. Once it's added, you'll see it appear as a new page where every section is editable. Now, customize everything to fit your product. Start with the page title and the main headline. Use clear, benefit-focused language so visitors immediately understand what your digital product does. Update any placeholder text with your product description, key features, or outcomes your customers can expect. Keep your phrases short and scannable to improve readability. Adjust the layout to suit your content. Notion's drag-and-drop blocks make it easy to rearrange sections. If a section doesn't serve your message, you can move it down or delete it. Maintain a clean hierarchy by using headings for major points and smaller text for supporting details. Leave enough white space so the page doesn't feel crowded. Add images that reinforce your message. This could be a product mock-up, a screenshot, or a simple graphic that reflects your brand. Upload them directly, then resize or reposition as needed so they complement the text rather than overwhelm it. Pair images with concise captions when helpful, and make sure they're high resolution for a crisp, professional look. Finally, reread the page from top to bottom to ensure the flow is smooth and the visuals are aligned. With those adjustments, your Notion-based landing page is ready to represent your digital product confidently and clearly.